Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cougar House Garage. Today we're working on the 68 C-10, the Hog. We got to go ahead and get the body mounts mounted up. The rear ones, we have to drill holes in the frame and get those mounted since we sectioned and shortened the frame in the last episode. So we got to go ahead and do that, and then we can get the mock-up engine and transmission in, the small block 350 with the 350 trans. Go ahead and get that bolted into the engine mounts and set in the chassis with its factory cross member. And then we can go ahead and move on to mounting up the cab and setting this girl on the ground. And then we'll be able to plan up our bed risers and our bed floor and stuff in the next episode after that. So let's get started, guys. Let's get this cab mounted up.
Sun is out here overseas. Dark emotions ever torn so deep, falling down through the clouds. I'm feeling you. Stay away from me. Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out low. Was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. Amid the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever. I wanna remember. Oh, the sight of you brings the fight in me, makes me wanna move. Fingers down your spine, looking in my eyes, feel your hands on mine. Tonight we're free, we're freer than ever. I wanna remember. Oh, we run every endeavor. I wanna remember. Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out. No, was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. Amid the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever. I wanna remember. Oh, the sight of you brings the fight in me, makes me wanna move.
That ends this episode today, guys. Working on the 68 C-10 here. You know, it was really fun afternoon today over here at Cougar House. We got the mock-up small block 350 block and turbo 400 trans pulled out of the old chassis, brought inside and put into our new Porterbuilt FAB chassis. And then we were able to shimmy the chassis out to be able to get the cherry picker around it and then get it into the chassis. And then we rolled the cab inside, put it up on the lift, brought the chassis in, set the cab down, bolted it down onto the chassis, and laid the truck out. It looks super cool. I mean, this is a really awesome looking truck. I mean, I can't tell you guys enough. It just looks super cool being, you know, a 68 Chevy, also just all laid out on the ground like that. I mean, when you lay out a truck, it just turns it into something completely different, just makes it awesome. So this is pretty cool. So tomorrow, guys, we'll go ahead and we'll get the front end put on the truck. And what else do we got to do? I mean, not much else. I mean, let's see, get the front end thrown on, and then we need to move on to mocking up the bed and figuring out how we're going to design and set up the bed floor. I'm going to set it up. Actually, I've got it all planned out. I'm going to go ahead and use a factory bed floor out of another truck it's a factory bed that's perfect. It's had a canopy on it since like its second year of use, so it's been on there for like 30 and some odd years. So it's got a perfect floor in it, so we'll take that floor out of that, put it in this short bed here, weld it all in, get it all in there perfect. So that factory structure of the bed floor is what will replace it instead of doing a box tubing style setup in the back, which I don't really like. It makes them way too heavy, and you want to make it look factory. That's the whole goal of doing this kind of stuff, is you got to make it look like Chevrolet did this from the factory. So, and then we're also going to get some factory wheel tubs, get 4 of them for the back, and splice those together so it'll look like it was just done from the factory that way. So we'll have the wheel tubs in there. It'll look super nice, all sectioned together and OE looking. So in our next episode, guys, we'll go ahead and we'll catch you, and we'll get this front end thrown on the truck and get that stuff done, and we'll continue the build. So, hey, thanks for watching today, guys. Thanks for your constant support, as always. If you guys like Cougar House Garage, you like what we do, check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Check us out at Facebook.com/Cougar House Garage. And then we are Cougar House Garage on Instagram, guys. Follow along with all the crazy projects there. I'm pretty active on the daily story, and then follow along with all the projects. But yeah, guys, we'll catch you guys in the next episode.